Hi, Michelle here, and today we are going to unbox the toy Caboose. So let's start. I just want you to see how it's packaged, so yours should look the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box, take all the plastics off the parts, lay them out, and then come back and we'll start putting it together. All right. Now that we have everything unpacked and laid out, we're going to start with the rear wheel installation. So we can open up your stroller, and I like to turn it over on its handle like so. These are where your back wheels are going to go. I'm going to have that up in front of us. You will find all your little hardware pieces, your little hardware kit in the bag with the booklet. So we're going to take those out. Just lay them out. The two little black caps are last. Lock caps, washers, and we always give you an extra one or two of the pieces just in case because they're so small. Okay, so first things first, we're going to take our axle and you're going to slide it through these little holes on the ends of the frame, right underneath the little standing platform. There it is. Okay, so for the wheels, first thing you want to install is the washer. So that will go on to the axle first. Then the wheel. These outside spokes are going to go on the inside like so. Okay. Then we have the axle lock cap. And we're going to just pop that on the end. And then you have the locking wheel cap to keep that on. Okay, and that little cap is on there. Then we're going to do the other wheel, and I'll show you again. Turn it around. Okay. Washer. Wheel, axle lock, wheel lock. Okay, and that's on. Last step for the rear wheels are your little wheel caps. So you have 4 little prongs on the inside of it, and you're just going to match those little prongs up with the little holes in this inside, like so. That, and I'll do this one. All right, and we have installed the rear wheels. Now we're going to install the front wheels. Those are a bit easier. If you come over here, this top piece spins around and you have a hole here. So you're going to want to match this hole up with this little silver tab, like so. You just push it in and it snaps on. The other. There you go. And our front wheels are installed. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is the car seat adapter. Now, this is loose in the box, but to be stored so you don't lose it, it can be stored under the basket. So you will put it like this and just attach it with the little Velcro tabs. And this will keep it in place when not in use, and it won't get lost in the toy box, because we know that's where all the toys go that you can't find. Okay. And that's that. All right, now next is in the canopy. We're going to show you how to install that. So on the edges where it will slide onto the frame, there's opened ends and closed ends. So you want to line those open ends up with this little, from the front, this right there, just like that. And the canopy is installed. Now for the tray, if you look here, There are two little tabs that you can push down, and that's how you're going to release it. So when you're putting it on, first you got to take off these little black foams. I forgot those. Okay, so you're just going to slide it on. It's going to click in, just like those wheels did with the little silver button there. Just like so. And then when you want to remove it, you'll just push the tab and pull it off. That's how you do the tray. Remember, you can find all our Joovy toys on joovy.com, of course, Amazon, Target, Walmart, Bye Bye Baby, and Babylist. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, like our video, and we welcome any comments in the comment section.